Hi everybody, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Always a pleasure to have you.
Thank you.
And we are well into the new year. So what are we making today?
So we're making some banana bread energy bites, and these are just chock full of healthy fats and fiber, and they're great for breakfast, they're great for a snack. They are calorie dense, so it's something that you might want to take along for before or after sports for your kids.
Okay.
But it really only takes one or two of these to be very filling.
To be full. And keep them going for whatever else they've got going on for the day.
Right.
Perfect.
Right.
Okay, so what do we do first?
Okay, so I mean, it's fairly easy. You do need a food processor for these, but we have some whole raw almonds and some dates. And so I'm going to add ingredients and scrape down after each time. So we're just going to get going on that.
Start blending.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so we're just going to, it doesn't need to be scraped down, but we're going to go ahead and add the banana and the peanut butter to the walnuts.
Okay.
And dates. So earlier I might have said almonds.
Well, you know, we were so excited to get going, we didn't realize it.
So you really do want to use the walnuts for those healthy omega-3s.
Okay. This already looks, I mean, you add peanut butter, banana, it's going to be great, right? No matter what.
Right. The banana just needs to get chopped up a little bit. Okay, so last ingredients here.
Okay.
We have some ground flax meal, so don't use the whole flaxseed. Make sure and use the ground flax meal because it is more digestible. And then this is ground cereal flour, and we'll have the instructions on what to do, but it's oatmeal squares, and it's a fortified cereal, so it has lots of vitamins and minerals that we need.
Really?
So it's just ground into a flour.
Okay.
It all goes in there, and once again, we're going to blend. I promise it's super easy.
Well, it is. It's all going into one pot.
Right, right. Okay, so these are ready to go.
Okay.
And these are just going to get scooped out. You can use a scoop, or you can use like a portion scoop, or you can just use a spoon and make a little ball. And then the dates really lend some good natural sweetness, but just for a little extra sweetness, you can either put some chocolate chips in this, or you can put it on top of it, or you can melt some chocolate and kind of do some squiggles on top like we
drizzle
did.
it.
Yes.
Okay, so very much. So when you're done with that, is it basically, do they go in the fridge or?
They go in the oven. So these actually get baked for just a little while. And again, refer to the recipe on that because I don't remember off the top of my head.
That's all right.
Yes.
That's why we offer that.
Yes. So those get baked.
Okay.
They come out. They cool. They get.
And then if you wanted to throw some fun chocolate just for a little hint, along with the healthy side.
Right.
Perfect. Let me take a bite.
Okay.
Kind of like you get a cookie, but it's healthy.
Yeah, it is definitely like a cookie for sure.
It's very good, and I see what you mean in regards to, like, this is a great snack on the go, especially if you're heading to sports and all those kind of things. Thank you, as always. If you want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.